What's going on, guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Tuning in like I said I would tonight, 8:30 Central, live with some auto body Q&A, shop updates on what's going on, what's going to be painted over this weekend. And I'll be having brand new videos coming soon in the coming weeks in VIP as far as the Metal Flake project goes. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to be on for about 15-20 minutes tonight. Keep it short, simple, sweet. Give you a quick update on what's going on here, what we're painting. I'm going to be redoing this bike as well, putting a new paint job on it. I'm kind of getting tired of the yellow. So that's the cool thing. If you know this skill set, you could basically change up your projects every once in a while. The last time I painted this was in 2015. I kind of signed my name and with gold pen and I cleared over it. But we're gonna be repainting this thing. What's up, guys? Because I got a whole bunch of candy colors and Metal Flake. So I'm kind of gonna be going on a Metal Flake and candy craze because frankly, I haven't been doing a lot of it. So I wanna do more so I can show you guys some cool candy and flake stuff. So you can apply it to your projects, get some ideas, and yada, yada, yada. So that's what's going on. We're gonna be doing this project here. I'm about to piece it apart. Probably gonna take me maybe an hour or less, probably less than an hour, maybe 35, 40 minutes to just take this thing apart quick, pull the front off, pull this off, take the sides off the purple. I don't like the purple. You know, it's just, I never liked it, but because I did the purple up in here, you know, we're just gonna change it out. My wife bought me a brand new tractor. I keep calling it a tractor. It's a lawnmower. All right. So I took the lawnmower apart. Good to see you, Mad Max. And we have the pieces here. 2 pieces we're going to paint. And just in time, I got my Spray Max primer filler today. We're going to be using some of this on this project. There was one dent here. So I kind of made a video, but I don't like the way that came out. So I'm going to wipe this off and make another video for you guys. Basically showing you, you know, where you would grind, where you would put the filler, where you would sand to lay the filler so the filler sticks, and where you would feather it out. That's how kind of but I'm going to have a better video for you. This piece we're going to prime up and we're going to paint the same color. So this whole shroud is going to be the same color, candy, Metal Flake, and we're going to put some lines and graphics in it, make it look different. Same thing with this piece. We're just going to tape up the the grip pads over here, tape up this middle section, tape up these things. We'll sand it down first, flake it up and do it. This tank, I might just do this tank while I'm doing the body work, because why not? It was hit with the handlebars over here. You can see the fork hit right here. So we're just gonna weld some pins in, pop them all out, do the body work, sand all this down. I kind of like the graphics on here. I don't know if I could save this. I'm gonna see what I could do with this. Maybe this can be saved and we'll keep this outline and Metal Flake the rest of the tank. We'll see what I can do with this. Bend this back, of course. So this is gonna be done, that's gonna be done, this bike's gonna be done, and I might even just base and flake this while I'm at it, resand it down. I don't know yet. This thing's been sitting around for a while. So that's pretty much it, guys, for the update. I have the 3M Accu spray that just came in, so we're going to be doing some reviews on this thing over here. Check it out, right? We got these little head pieces over here, and we got the PPS system, which is the same exact system that fits on the kits that I'm going to be getting for you guys and for me, of course, at a better value. You can see they snap right on to the 3M system here without a problem at all. So I'm getting really excited about these new kits here that I have lined up. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys want to do some quick Q&A, let's do that really quickly. If you want to hit the like button really quickly, hit it really quickly, because we got 51 people on and we got 2 likes. Dude, come on, man. You guys, man, I might as well just bow out and just go get back to work if you guys are not going to give me any likes here. Like, why am I doing this? I'm just going to go back to work and make some money. Why am I wasting my time over here? Anyway, give me some likes, guys, and let's do some quick quick Q&A. Any brand new VIPs on? I don't know, Ronnie. I was just talking about you this morning, Ronnie, about Tamco, because somebody was asking me about some clear coat questions, and I mentioned Tamco, but I don't know what happened. I mean, you gave me her info. She reached out to me. I emailed her. I reached out and I called her 2 times and left a voicemail. I never got any reply back. So if you want to be like, yo, Tony reached out, but you never replied back, I left her voicemail. All right, and she never. So it's like, you know, I'm not going to go pursuing people if they don't want to talk. I mean, I don't know. I'm just trying to help here, you know? So I don't know, Ronnie. It is what it is. But how many brand new VIPs here? Dude, if the 3M went with collars for their cups in the system you're working, you need to have didn't seem durable. 3M likely did it for a reason. Yeah, well, this is the system that I got. We have the collar type as well. You can see it right here. It's pretty much the same thing. This is 3M. This is ours. With the 3M cap here, it's the same exact system. And I'm trying to get you better deals because 3M are overpricing everything. But anyway, we're going to be doing some testing with this. It looks really cool. It looks really neat, you know, and we'll see. We'll see. We got everything over here. Probably be using it on the Chevelle project a little bit. You know, these liners and caps fit on our system here. Our 650 milliliter cup system there. Pretty sweet. I only have the 50 liter compressor. Man, I missed your thing, dude. I missed it. I missed it for sure. Any quick tips on painting metallic paints? How to stay away from modeling? I'm a new VIP. I haven't finished all the videos yet. What's a cheap paint and clear just to practice with? I would look into Nason is a good cheap paint, and Omni base coats, and Nason clear coat or Advantage clear coat. Cheap stuff. Somebody said something about metallics. So when spraying metallics, you want to up your pressure. You want to use a high volume, low pressure spray gun. Spray at 27, 28 PSI at your gun. Okay, your gun gauge right over here. Trigger pulled. I got the Atomex 27 here. Trigger pulled, you want to have about 27 PSI roughly. All right, and you want to crisscross your pattern. So if you're spraying a hood or a fender, if you're spraying this way, right, you go one way, and then on your second pass, you kind of want to crisscross it like this. And then just check it out before you clear it. You know, if it looks like you have a tiger stripe or whatever. Usually, if you blow it out at high pressure, you're not going to have a problem. You know, you get problems when you're spraying at low pressure and your gun is really close to the car. You know, that's when you're going to have problems because you're just loading too much paint on a small area, right? With metallics, you want to kind of be a little farther, you know, 8 inches away, you know, on your final coat, on your final dusting phase before you clear coat it. If you're doing single stage enamel, it's a different story. Just basically hit it, and then you're going to have to really crisscross it and eye it out in the booth or in your shop when it's really lit up. So, you know, you could just make sure you really don't have a bunch of tiger stripes or whatever, you know? That's pretty much it. Yeah, I got the whole suspension system under the car here ready to be put on. So the suspension has to be done first. All of the upper and lower control arm rubbers and all of that before I drop the engine in. So that's what I'm waiting. I want to knock this out and get the motor in before the end of October. So yeah, guys. So I'll be doing a lot of shop work this weekend. 50-liter tank compressor to spray a car with candy possible. I don't think so, man. 50 liters is tiny. That's a small air compressor, dude. You're not going to have enough air volume to do especially candy. You might be able to squeeze a car if you played catch up, waiting and doing a base coat, clear coat car. Enamel car, forget about it. You're not going to have enough volume because enamel, you got to keep going. Base coat, you could kind of slow down and stop and base another panel or so to do it. 50 gallon, yeah, right, Tony. Yeah, I mean, at least 50, 60 gallon tank you need of volume-wise of air, to paint a complete car. So there's my compressor, 60 gallon. 80 gallon is like more than enough. 60 gallon is like, does the job. You're not gonna have an issue with this. You can see it's a 5 horsepower Bel Air system I got here. It puts out close to 16 CFM at 90 pounds. So it's plenty of volume. And then I got my water filter right over here. And then I have basically 80 pounds coming out into my line, into my hose. So I consistently have 80 pounds on my hose here. And then I tune it at my gun. So it's not like I'm choking the air coming in, right? I'm not choking the air coming in. I got 80 pounds coming on, and then with the trigger pulled, I set it to 27, 28 for base coat, 26, 27 in base coat, 28, 29 for clear coat, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. So how's everybody doing tonight? Thursday night, any fun things for the weekend? Painting racing stripes on Mustang. Paint car first, then sand for stripes, or stripes first, gray with black stripes. Gray with black stripes. I would paint the black first, mask up, and it's either, you could do whatever you want to do. You could do the black first. Mask your stripes up, and then spray the gray base coat on top of it. That'll work. That's easier. Buying fabric for interior furniture. Oh, that's something I gotta get. I gotta go to Hobby Lobby. I might be doing some crazy stuff, designs on this scooter here. I gotta buy some some knitting, not knitting, quilt. I'm spent. Painted a truck today. It's exhausting, clearing the roof and hood. It's a lot of work, dude. Tony, check my email later. I will. Oklahoma rain this weekend. Painting a Focus bumper. Sweet. Yeah, it's supposed to rain here in Dallas. I'm in North DFW. We're supposed to have rain all weekend. Well, tomorrow's supposed to get cloudy and rainy. And then, Jessica. And it's supposed to be raining. But you know what? Doing body work and painting while it's raining out is actually pretty good because it keeps the dust down. My father always said that. So, painted a fender and got fisheye everywhere. Oof. You might want to just resand it, clean it good, and do it. Do you want to know my address? Not sure. Painting a 46 Ford Coupe. Ooh, nice car. Nice car, guys. Nice car. So yeah, for me, I will be doing this stuff here. That's what I'm doing. I'm slowly getting all of my parts for my Chevelle here. Today I got my little cable kit for my transmission, TV cable. And I can't wait to get the thing, put together and running. So any more quick Q&A? We're on 15 minutes. Any more quick Q&A? If not, I'm going to head out. I got some things I got to do. Watched everyone your video. Where's the Lambo? The Lambo is pretty much sold. Your video is flipped and we can't read anything. My video is flipped. What does that mean? I'm not sure what you mean. Using 600 grit, should I wet sand or dry sand? I like to wet sand. You get a nice clean cut. And your paper, you save your paper. Text reads right to left. Well, I'm not writing any text. I don't know what you're talking about. What are you talking about? No big deal. Looks fine here. Fine here. I don't know what you guys are talking about, man. Anyway, hope everyone's doing well. The image on your end is mirrored. Everything you show us with words is mirrored. Have a great weekend. Peace. Peace, Mad Max. John Poland, no problem, buddy. No problem. No problem. High volume, low pressure, or reduced pressure gun. It depends. High volume, low pressure is really good for base coats. Reduced pressure, low volume is good for clear coat. So if we look at the Atom spray guns here, these are clear coat guns, the flat color. This is the X27 version. Right now, we're actually doing a special promo where you get a free tip kit. So check out Zula.com if you guys are looking for an awesome spray gun. Let's see. Here's the chrome version, which is the high volume, low pressure right here. So high volume, low pressure is recommended for base coats. And then the low volume is recommended for clear coat. But I have sprayed both base and clear out of each version of the guns with no problem. So technically, if you want to get technical and anal, high volume, low pressure is for base coat. Low volume, low pressure or medium pressure MP is for clear coat. And here are all the different candy colors that I got. I got candy orange. I got candy brandy. I got oriental candy blue. Some beautiful colors in here. Purple, burple, it's called. I got lime. Anyway, I have a separate video that I already made for you on these. So I don't want to spoil it all. Anyway, guys, slap the like button, kick it up, and I will see you later. Got the 27 and mini. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Well, let me know how you like them because I absolutely love the Atom spray guns. Angel. Yes, we have tips in VIP as far as the spray booth goes. We have some videos in there. Is the Double Bisc Techno Pro Light good for candy and base coats? Man, I would go and get yourself an Atom. Very nice spray guns. Thanks, guys. Yo, I'm about to head out. I got to head out. If you guys are looking for awesome DIY spray guns, go to Zoola.com, ZOOLAA.com. Check out these spray guns right here. Freaking badass, and they spray really, really, really nice. All right? Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. I'm going to be filming all weekend and making a bunch of videos. Peace out. Cheers, guys. Peace. Good night, guys. Have a good weekend. Good night, good night, good night.